Okay, you guys, I don't have a tripod, so I will try to explain as best I can what I'm doing here. Okay, this is the hair that I have to crochet in. Okay, and this is the needle that I have to use. It is smaller than your average crochet needle. It's more like a ventilating needle. Okay, and this is the hair that I am working with. All right, I'm working with what appears to be 16, not 16, I'm sorry, about 22 inch, but my wig is going to be very, very long, so I intend to attach more hair to the ends of the braids when I'm done. If you guys will hold on just a minute, I'm going to get something. Okay, I brought this hair from my beauty supply. I forgot how much it was, but it's called 3 times pre-stretched hair, and it's by Afrel. And it's very, very soft, and it's pretty long. It's not real long, you know, about 18 to 21 inches. So that's good because, I mean, you know, I was just starting this for the first time, so I definitely was not going to go all out because I've made mistakes before and I didn't want to do that with little Allison here. Okay. So I can give you guys an idea of what I am doing. Okay. Okay, when you start out, you have to start with at least hair this thin. If you guys can see how thin it is. Okay, and you take your ventilating needle, and you won't be able to see me do it. You'll be able to see after the fact. So let me do that now. Okay, first of all, you've got to create a hole. So that means you got to put your ventilating tool inside the netting of your lace. Okay, and that's not real easy to do at first, but it's crocheting. So if you've ever done crochet braids on yourself, then you got a pretty good idea what's happening here. Okay, so as you can see, I have managed to make a little hole there for the needle. Okay, so the needle is waiting for me to thread it. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, and you pull, when you get ready to pull your needle, you make sure that the latch is closed, which is what I'm trying to do here. Okay, as you can see, tutorials are not in my best interest. Okay, it's already closed. All right, and you pull the hair through the hole that you have made. Then you take out the needle. You take your fingers, create a loop, as I am doing here. Okay, and with that loop, you take the tail end of the hair and you bring it through and you create a knot. Okay, so I will show you that. There's the knot. Okay, now if you were ventilating a wig where you actually, I'm sorry, this is gonna come apart. Okay, if you were ventilating a wig, you would not want a hole that large, a knot that large. You would want it really tiny, and this type of needle is very, very good for that. It's just a matter of whether or not you actually have the patience to sit and do that, which I don't think I have that, okay? But I do have the patience to do this because I've done 3 braids so far, and these are cornrows. So if you know how to cornrow, what you do when you decide that you have enough hair here going in the direction of how you want your braid to go, then you will cornrow this hair onto the lace, and there you have your cornrowing braid, which I've got 2 here so far. And I went on ahead and put that inside because I want to get an idea. I've been trying it on every time I do it. So I just like so paranoid about not doing it right that I try it on every time I do a braid. But I'm a little bit more confident, so I'll do a couple more and then I'll try it on. Okay, and I'm going to put baby hair here at the perimeter of the lace after I've cut it. and that's going to be very, very thin strands, so I don't want this wig to not have baby hairs. It's going to need them because it's, you know, the way I did the hairline is kind of severe. So yeah, that's my tutorial on this, and I will be back to show you guys the finished product. It's not going to happen tonight, so maybe I will be finished with it by look for me to be done with it probably by Monday. Okay, this is Thursday, so give me a couple of days because I'm new at this, and yeah, I should be done by then, and be glad to show you guys what it looks like. I'll probably be outdoors when I show you, so that'll be good too. Okay, so thanks everybody for watching this pseudo tutorial, and without a tripod or anything, just my little trusty Apple iPod, and I will get back to you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And thank you so much in advance for watching this one. And Allison says, bye everybody. Bye-bye. Until next time. Bye guys.